Hello YouTube. Since you can see I'm facing some issue while passing some data from one activity to another activity. Currently I'm on the main activity and I'm passing some data from main activity to the node editor activity. Since this is not like ordinary data, it's actually the entire model I want to pass in intent. So for this kind of things, what we need to do is to go to our build.gradle and add one ID over here, which is in our case ID Kotlin and Parcelable. This we need to add here, and you can sync your project to see if there is any issue. Once you see there is no issue, go to your model class and then annotate it with Parcelable. Okay, so once this is parcelized, then you need to super type. Yep. Okay, Parcelable. You need to put this super type also. And so after making these changes, you can simply go and run your application, and this time you will see it's working fine.